Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to another episode on the Caballero TV. And today's topic is going to be about free animated subscribers button and the bell icon videos. I will be showing you a way to get those things for free. So if you're a new YouTuber, today is your lucky day. Okay, I'm going to show, if you don't know what the free animated subscribers button and the bell icons are, then here's an example. I'll show you what they look like. It should be something like this, right? You've probably seen that on some videos where people suggest that you subscribe and like their videos. Or it should look something like this here. So these are just a few free samples that I've downloaded myself and I have just started using, and they're pretty cool. You should know about this too. If you want to make your YouTube page look professional, this is what you need right here. It's all for free, and I'll be showing you where to get all this if you stick around. Okay, so what we're doing now, I already told you about the topic, and I'll show you a few examples of what these things look like. Now you know what animated subscribe buttons and animated bell icons look like. I'll show you how I use them on my videos. I use the Mac laptop, and I use the what do you call it, iMovie, to make my animations. I made my videos. So here's a sample of one of the videos I just did today. It's the intro video for my channel, and it looks like this. So that was a quick intro video for my channel. I just took the free animated subscription video, and I added my intro video with a few text in it and the audio, and I got myself an intro video. So right, you've seen the examples, you've seen how you can use them just like I did, and here's the final work you can on YouTube after putting my stuff together. This is what I got. This is the final product. What I was showing you before was the raw product. This is the final product. This is what it should look like on your YouTube channel after you edit and add all your sound and all your videos and end screens. This is what you get. So click on the link in the description box below, and you will be directed straight to the website where you can get yourself free animated subscribe buttons and bell icon videos that you can use for free on your YouTube videos whenever you like, free of charge. No one's gonna be there to bug you, just you and your cool content from day one. You dig? Get with me. Link is in the description box below. Get with it.